Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am coming back at you guys with another video, and today I am serving looks for you guys. I have this makeup tutorial that I want to share with you guys using black owned brands. So if you want to see how I achieve this fun look and what products I use, then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys. Hey guys, what is up? How you doing? If you're new here, hi, my name's Sophia, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we're just going to be doing some makeup and we're going to be trying out some new stuff. I'm not too sure what this video is going to be called. I know that I want to feature some black owned businesses here. We need to support black owned business and indie products, indie brands. I just want to dedicate this video to black owned beauty businesses. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to do. So I have this right here. Isn't this cute? So the owner of this cosmetic brand, I found her in Instagram. I love how she's a makeup artist and then she uses her products on her clients, and she's really into almost like that soft glam look, which, you know, guys, I'm here for. This is the brand Double T Enhancements, and look, this is the card right here. Like when you shop with them, she gives you like this thank you card, and look how beautiful this makeup is. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna leave the website in the description box down below so you guys can check it out. Let's go over some of the things that she sent me. So I have the Double T foundation right here. She sent me the shade 250W, so we're gonna check that out. She sent me her loose highlighter, which is really beautiful, and this is in Icy, so we're gonna check that out. She sent me her perfect finishing spray right here, concealer, her pressed powder. Her pressed powder, I am in the shade Buttercream. And then she sent me a setting powder. Wow. Yay! This is like a really pretty packaging. I like the pink top to it, and it is in butter, which I love. A nice golden loose setting powder, so this is really nice. So we're gonna do a whole face with it, and she sent it in this cosmetic bag, which I think is adorable. This is something that I would save, especially if I'm traveling, so, or you know, on the go. So we're gonna prime the face. I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. Jelly Pop. I normally do my eyes first, but since I just want to play around with this and jump right into this, I'm going to do skin first. So we are going to do the foundation. So we have the foundation right here. So it says perfect finish foundation infused with vitamin A, C, and E, and you get about 1 fluid ounces of this product. Okay. This is a super natural coverage. You can still see my blemishes picking through, so this is a natural coverage. So this is definitely a light to medium coverage. It's definitely buildable. Let me just put a little bit more in areas I feel like I need a little bit more help in, which is that area right here. Definitely it is a medium coverage. It's between light to medium, super natural. This is more so like a good everyday foundation, or somebody that just doesn't like that over the top coverage that some foundations provide, like the Juvia's Place foundation. If you saw my last video, check it out. But this is like full coverage, whereas this one is more breathable. This is more of an everyday foundation. This feels lightweight, so you really can't feel it in your skin, which I like, because I hate applying makeup where I feel like I have makeup on, if that makes sense. So I really like that on like these natural days. So this is a really nice foundation. Yeah. So let's move on with concealer. So the concealer she gave me is 2C, so it looks like this. So let's apply it. So it has like an actual brush, like back and forth applicator to it, which I'm okay with. So let's try it now. So I'm just putting in areas I feel like I need to conceal and highlight. I don't know, I've been really into like cream contouring, so I'm taking my Juvia's Place stick foundation in Abidjan right here, and I'm sticking with black owned products in this video, obviously, and I'm just going to warm up my skin a little bit. And I've been doing this a little lately. I don't do this all the time, but I don't know, I've been doing this a lot lately. Oh, this is a thick concealer. Okay, so this is a really thick concealer. So you get a little bit more coverage with this concealer than you actually do with the foundation, which I'm kind of surprised about. But I like that in a sense because us girls, especially women of color, we have dark spots, we have discolorization, we have dark circles. That's just part of the nature of being, you know, a person of color. And girl, I have dark circles, honey. So I appreciate that, honestly. That is thick. Okay, so this is how my face is looking like so far. So far, so good. So this concealer is a matte concealer. I would definitely do an eye cream first before applying this for sure. But this is a full coverage matte concealer, hunty. So if you're looking for a concealer that has coverage, this would be it. I like how it applied so far. So let's go in with the Double T Enhancement Loose Powder and Butter. This is the one that I really wanted to try. Oh, okay, so this comes with a mirror inside, which is cute, and it comes with a little tiny powder puff thing, which I really like. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm just going to kind of set my eyelids with the loose powder just all over so I don't get any creasing in the eye. So that's how everything looks like. So we're gonna take the Double T Enhancement Press Powder, and this is in the shade Buttercream. So we're gonna use that. So as I am setting my entire face, I'm also swiping away or sweeping away the loose powder. Yeah, so this is how everything looks like, and I'm pretty impressed with it. Now, I tried pretty much everything. The only thing that I didn't try yet is her setting spray and her loose highlighter, but we're gonna use it in a second. Now we're just gonna go in with the eyes really quickly. But before we do eyes, I just wanted you guys to see how the finished look looks like with these products that I use from this brand. So I'm gonna go back in with the loose powder in Butter, and I really love the shade of this. I'm just gonna put powder underneath my eyes right here because we're gonna do eyeshadow, and I think I want to do color. So that's what we're doing. So I just don't want any situation going on when I do my eye makeup. So the palette that we're gonna pick up is the Joy Lorraine Cosmetic Paradise palette right here. I did do a video using this palette, and I will link it down below if you guys are interested. We're gonna do a little bit of color, why not, right? So let's go in with the black right here. And I'm gonna zoom into the eye so you guys can see what's going on. And I'm just gonna do one eye in camera and then maybe do the other eye off camera. So we're just tapping the black into the outer V first, and then we're just building the black And as you can see, I'm tapping the black into the lid and working more so in the outer corners of the eyelid, as you can see. So I'm building it up, bringing it inwards a little bit. And this, honey, this palette is really pigmented. As you can see, I did not use a white base or anything. So you guys saw that I'm working on my bare lids. Not bare lids, but like my concealed lids. Now I'm taking a more fluffier brush right here, and then we're gonna go in with that pink color, and then we're just going to buff out the edges of that harshness of the black. So I'm just going to kind of just blend out the edges. Now we're just going to cut the crease a little bit. I'm just going to use a lighter concealer. This is going to be the only thing that's not black owned, but I'm taking the Morphe white concealer because I just want whatever that I have in the lid to pop, you know. And I kind of just draw it out a little bit. Okay, so that's me cutting the crease. You still see the black peeking through, but that's okay. We're gonna go in with this orange right here, and then we're gonna use this for all over the lid. So as you can see, I'm just tapping everything all over the lids. And when you do cut crease, you always want to tap the color in. You don't want to swipe it because you're going to lose that color. So that's why it's always good to tap color, so you can get that vibrance of the color, so you don't lose that color. So you see what's going on here. Go back in with that brush that we used, the black. This is the MAC 224, and I'm just gonna sweep in that black color into the cut crease just a little bit, just so it could have like that story in your eye, almost like the orange turned into the black, as you can see. So orange fading into the black. So we're taking my duo, the green one, and then we're just going to shape out a liner. I go through this glue like nobody's business, because I do multiple things with this glue. Now we're just taking a small brush. Sorry, I already used this for another glitter look. I'm just taking a small brush, and we are going to use this glitter right here I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link for this down in the description box down below. It's a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. And then we're gonna do lashes. So the lashes that I've been really loving is her Beauty Suite. This is also a black owned brand that I've been really liking. They sell a bunch of beauty spa related items as well as lashes. So right now I'm going to use Bold Beauty, which I love. She also sent me another one as well, another lashes in this Violent. So this looks like this. This is going to be used in a different video, but I'm using Bold Beauty. It's one of my favorites at the moment. I'm gonna go back in with the glue right here. And then we're just gonna put the glue on top because we're putting the lashes. So this is how everything looks like so far. Cool. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then we'll be back to finish off the face. Okay guys, so this is how the look is turning out so far. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So I already bronzed my skin, already add blush. I add a little bit more than usual because it's the first thing that fade for me, and I kind of just wanted my blush to pop up, and the coral of the cheeks and the eyes, it just makes sense to me. I changed my shirt because I felt like my shirt was clashing with my eye. I kind of toned it down a little bit with a black top because, you know, it was a little bit too much. So that's how everything is looking so far. I'm really liking it. So let's finish off the skin. All right, so now we're gonna use the highlighter. This is the Double T Enhancement Loose Highlighter in Icy. I am excited to use this. I love a nice highlight. Ooh. Yeah, this is a really pretty color. It's like gold, but it has like little like rose gold flecks to it, which I like. It has pink in it, which goes really good with this look. Just put it on areas that I just want to glow. Yeah, I like this highlighter. So let's do lips. So we're gonna take the Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola, and we're just going to line the lips. So we're gonna go in with Juvia's Place lip gloss, and I have the shade Sis. So let's apply this all over the lips. Yes, honey, yes. This gloss is everything, guys. I'm taking the Double T Enhancement Setting Spray, and we're gonna set the entire face to lock everything in. Okay, guys, so this is the entire look. So this is how it looks. Look at it. I'm super, super happy about how everything turned out. My skin looks flawless. I am obsessed with this eye look. I am obsessed with these products. Check out Double T Enhancement. I will leave her Instagram down below. I will leave a link to the website. So check out Joy Lorraine's Cosmetics. She has other palettes. She also has foundation, concealer, all that. So check out her brand and tell her that Sophie sent you. I'll see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye guys.